Songbbird's eggs are going to hatch soon. We're going to make her a bird table so she's got plenty of food for her chicks.
A songbird sits in a tree. But look at that, there's more to see. 5 little eggs in her nest right now. Let's help her out, I'll show you how. Whistle with the birds, whistle with the birds.
Give it a try, won't you whistle with me?
Blow some air and make it sound pretty. Aww.
Let's make a bird feeder out of wood. Add some decoration, make it look so good.
The birds will need a place to eat. Soon we'll hear them tweet, tweet, tweet.
And we'll whistle with the birds,
Whistle with the birds.
Give it a try, won't you whistle with me?
Blow some air and make it sound pretty.
The seeds and nuts are ready to eat.
Yay!
Add a little water with a tweet, tweet, tweet.
The eggs are shaking. Yeah, the whole batch.
I think these eggs are about to hatch.
Let's whistle with the birds.
Whistle with the birds. Everybody's whistling with me. Blowing air, it sounds so pretty. Hi, it's me, Ella. This is a song that you may know. It's all about a star. A little star. A little star that twinkles.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. What you are above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, little star, twinkle, little star.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Help us brush our teeth tonight.
Brush our teeth.
With your glowing starry light.
Twinkle, little star. Twinkle, twinkle, little star.